Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are describe to Jenkins CID pipeline step by step. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution. This channel is have a many video. Is how to Jenkins installation and configuration, how to Nexus installation and configuration here. Today we are see how to configuration CI/CD before the configure and pipeline and details. Two-way writing the Jenkins 5 line declarative and descriptive line from where see there. First of all, when installation Jenkins finish at that time is you need to some plugin in because it should depend on your pipeline. Let's go. Right, Jenkins manage. Need to flag in where git git we are already git installation, that's why I have to not say here, just git. Here is a git plugin is git server git plugin already installation where Bitbucket, Nexus, Artifact, all plugin were installation. Just here is available source already in installation. When all installation plugin, the time is need to your and manage node and configuration. Here is where create nodes. Here is node's name and type, and just where create node. Our node is fail because our node meshing is off, that's why is fail. Where our node meshing on, it is our application server. It is some time application is done. Here is our application server. Let's go where see our Jenkins. Till now this node is already available. Now we see this node is sync. Just configuration here, just a name and description and remote location and label your host name. Here is the host IP and the host application user and password and credential. Here is just say your user and password, just application user and password, and say back. Let's go where somewhere is our configuration. Need to our credential configuration. Let's go where already credential configuration and global configuration. Manage credential. Here is click here is the credential here, Nexus credential, so not where day by day this part, just where today's pipeline step by step description. Let's go. Pipeline. Pipeline. A pipeline user define block the who is the control the stage. pipeline. Here is a pipeline update as a so noted. Node is a machine and a structure and environment workflow. It is a node. Node our is a like here is our pipeline scripting. Here is a pipeline. Pipeline is a pretty declarative. Here her agent is a node by our a let's go just notice the machine and executive entry to work it keyword nodes pipeline agent instructor the Jenkins allow the executive builds. It is a node and enter pipeline specific is as a run is agent node as a details and agents pipeline. Stage is it is a continue work the stage and specific tasks. Here is steps. Steps is carry out the sequence execute the steps. Carry out the sequence. Let's go. We're just create a simple pipeline of Senkin. Let's go. Here is a first of all we create is CD. Just how is click and OK. Where demo on just one simple pipeline. Here is nothing configured. Just here is simple hello world apply and just button and build job build. I think is a successful and is alive. The public here a simple pipeline. And let's go where just configure sense where here is silent solution are just built had silent solution. I think it's silent solution done. Here is just a simple sales and a where next video and proper and CICD and this we're just skip writing. Let's next video. Thanks for watching.